Viewers, our top focus at this hour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to inaugurate Kartavya Bhavan 3 at Kartavya Path in New Delhi today. Now, viewers, Kartavya Bhavan 3 is part of the broader transformation of the Central Vista. It is the first among several upcoming common Central Secretariat buildings that aim to streamline administrative processes and enable agile governance. Now, this will be a modern office complex of about 1.5 lakh square meters spread over 2 basements and 7 floors. Now, this building will house key ministries including Home Affairs Ministry, External Affairs Ministry, Rural Development, MSME, DOPT, Petroleum, Natural Gas, along with Principal Scientific Advisor as well. Viewers, now this new building will exemplify modern governance infrastructure featuring IT-ready and secure workspaces, IT card-based access controls, integrated electronic surveillance, along with a centralized command system. In fact, it will also lead to sustainability with double-glazed facades, rooftop solar, water harvesting, advanced heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, along with rainwater harvesting. Now, this very facility that Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate today, it will also promote eco-consciousness through zero-discharge waste management, in-house solid waste processing and e-vehicle charging stations, along with extensive use of recycled construction material. Visuals on your screen showing you the grand building that Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate today. This very building is going to house key ministries, including Home Affairs Ministry and External Affairs Ministry. The whole idea is to streamline the governance process. And in fact, today after the inauguration, Prime Minister Modi will also address a key program later in the evening. Visuals on your screen showing you the new building that Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate today. Remember, it's a modern office complex of about 1.5 lakh square meters. It's spread over 2 basements and 7 floors. The idea behind the project of Central Vista is to streamline the administrative processes and enable agile governance so that all the ministries, key ministries, can be clubbed together. This very building is going to house multiple ministries, including External Affairs Ministry, Home Ministry, Rural Development, MSME, Petroleum and Natural Gas, along with Principal Scientific Advisor. Crucial project today Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate. In fact, this new building will exemplify modern governance structure featuring IT-ready and secure workspaces. You'll also have ID card-based access controls, integrated electronic surveillance and a centralized command system. Essentially, the project aims to streamline the governance process and therefore bringing multiple ministries at one place. Now, this will also lead to sustainability with double-glazed facades, rooftop solar and solar water heating advanced system. You also have air conditioning system and rainwater harvesting at one place. Now, this facility will also promote eco-consciousness through zero-discharge waste management, in-house solid waste processing. You'll also have e-vehicle charging stations and extensive use of recycled construction material. So, clearly a very green project and of course a very modern project as well. And after the inauguration, Prime Minister Modi today will also address a public gathering later in the evening, which is going to take place at around 6:30 p.m. today. Remember, this is just one of the first buildings as a part of Central Vista project that's going to be inaugurated today. There are several other buildings and several other projects that will come up later as well. But this key building remains to be important as it will be housing key ministries. It's a modern office complex of about 1.5 lakh square meters. It's spread over 2 basements and 7 floors. It is going to house key ministries, including External Affairs Minister and Home Ministry. Visuals on your screen showing you the building that Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate today.